I want to assure our people that, notwithstanding the situation of things, one thing that we have promised everyone is every good work that we have started, by the special grace of God, will continue and complete them. So we're in high spirit, and like we always say, rivers first. We have always had these issues where the community will always, when they want to express their anger over some dissatisfaction of maybe some activities of the airport authority, they always block the airport road. And we thought in this modern society, such actions are not necessary anymore, because whenever it happens, it affects the economic activity of the state. So we liaised with the community and created this bypass. The purpose of the bypass is so that the community can have this at their own way, their own entrance, while the airport will remain only for airport activity once these roads are completed. So we are here to check what we've done. So far, we've done about 65% of job, and they're also promising that before October, that the total project will be delivered.
Honorable Tony, tell me something. Tony, tell me something. He said, if you follow yourself, we can follow corner. Tony, tell me something. My chairman, tell me something. Honorable Tony, tell me something. He said, if you follow yourself, we can follow corner. Tony, tell me something.
No, the governor is a member of our party. I think that the decision he took is in the larger interest of the state, for us to form a more cohesive party and then leadership to drive development in our state. So it's a welcome development. We have a new APC. You know, it was not like in those days. I'm a foundation member of APC and I understand better. So I can assure you that today every member of APC that is interested in the progress and the victory of this party are all part of what we have done. They're all totally in sync with us.